Are you looking for a unique way to earn more money and have your very own business? There is something different that you will want to check out. Wawazen. With Wawazen, you can open up a brand new revenue stream. They are offering a business partnership with Waterwalls. That's right, Waterwalls. With Wawazen, you will learn how to be successful with indoor water walls. Wawazen is the #1 water wall school, and they are offering you a full course on how to start your very own water wall business. This is a growing trend that you will want to be a part of. With the Wawazen course, you will get everything you need: sources of supply, tips for negotiation, construction plans, a media package, photographs, free monthly consultations, trade rate information, sample products, and much, much more. Join this exciting venture right now. Go to wawazen.net to learn more. That's WAWAZEN, wawazen.net. What are you waiting for? Take that first step to starting your own business with Waterwalls, even if you don't have a workshop. wawazen.net.